Looking forward to this campsite. We left Fort DeSoto and we're on I-75, going a different route than we've normally been. We're about an hour and 50 minutes away, so we'll see you at the site.
To get to Pine Island, you drive through the colorful shops and crowded galleries of Matlacha.
A little congested on the way out. It is Friday at 5:30. Can't be Pine Island without the pines. Island KOA.
Let me show you our beautiful lakeside campsite for the night. It cost $120. You can see here how gorgeous it is. Some of the amenities here are heated pool, spacious hot tub, a lighted tennis court, basketball court, and Camp K9 pet park. We're gonna take a seat out here and eat some sushi that we bought on the way. Tomorrow we'll be taking a look around and there's karaoke night and some food trucks, so we'll take a look at that. Okay, see you then.
Chloe.
Hello, Pepper Jack. How's it going? Look at all. I don't know what happened to me, but I was taking a nap on Pine Island. It was like, whoa, man, I can't even wait to walk around and spy on my neighbors. Oh, here I am with my dogs. Can you believe that's me? Woo! Okay, there's my husband. He's a little man. Look Look at that guy. Okay, here we go.
Heading over to the community center. Do a workout. Here's the clubhouse. Empty restrooms. Another little workout area. Surrounded by these ponds. Outside you have cornhole. This is clubhouse too, on the water.
Our night's up at our lakeside location, so now we moved across the street to our new campsite, which is $95 a night.
Do you girls want a little chicken? Let's get some chicken.
Okay, we're on our way to karaoke night.
Oh yeah. Can't wait to see how these old folks sing.
Including us, right?
I'm not
we
singing.
might be the singers.
No.
Okay, we'll see.
That's a nice camping zone.
Maybe we should add some of those outdoor lights for our RV.
Oh. There you can see the community center. Listen, you can hear the karaoke. Pool's open till 8 p.m.
Wow, what a nice setup they have in this pool area. Get your voice ready.
Must be some karaoke. All this singing's great. We work up an appetite.
Where's your taxi at? I don't see him out there anymore.
Let's go order. We got our food and we're heading back. So the party ended 8 p.m. We had to leave. So we brought the food back.
We got Carib to move, and now Chloe has
And what did you
taken
get?
over.
I got the chef special.
They're beef tacos.
Can you take a bite on camera and let us know how it is?
Okay.
Double wrapped.
Mmm,
Looks good.
really good soft taco. I love it.
All right, let's go.
We made some really nice friends here as well in the campground. Steve and Debbie. They're very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, so,
And everybody in this KOA
yeah,
has been
extremely friendly.
Super friendly.
This is,
Um,
yeah.
well, it's
great.
enjoyable.
We would come back. I'd come
Yeah.
back. I would say for safety, everything. I
Hmm.
mean, I feel comfortable like leaving our dogs
Yeah.
in the RV.
Yeah.
I feel comfortable walking
Yeah.
around by myself, like never a question.
Hmm.
This is one of the best experiences I've had so far, actually.
Really?
I feel.
Yeah. No, that's nice.
You
I
know?
mean, I think it's really nice.
Mm,
For the value, too.
yeah.
It is a little expensive.
Right.
90 to 120
Mm.
on the waterfront. But they have a heated pool. They have a lot of amenities.
And we found all our neighbors have been very welcoming about dogs.
this atmosphere of everybody's very happy here.
Yep.
Yeah, and really welcoming.
Yeah.
And making sure that we feel welcome when we arrive. So that was really nice. I mean, I like
Yeah.
that atmosphere of like Fort DeSoto. It's so nice, the state park we went to. But
Pamela doesn't really like the wood. She thinks somebody's going to jump out of the tree.
no, it's nice. No, it's
No,
fine.
This is good.
Yeah, this is great.
And then we're back at it tomorrow. We're off to another campsite, a little bit below Palm Springs.
Memory jogging, I don't know.
Okay, it's John Prince Park Campground.
That's where we're headed. All right.
See you. Have
We'll
a
see you
great
on the road.
night.